Tech Tip Thursday. We are talking truck air accelerator machines. So if you are coming in and you are dealing with trying to change the programming and get it to actually adjust from 35 to 75, there is one thing to pay attention to, and these can come wired from the factory wrong. It's not a huge deal because what you're looking at on the wiring, so we're going to sneak in here, and here are our two wires. Our orange and our yellow are right there. And you can see that the leftmost position is open, the middle gets yellow, and the right gets orange. If it isn't in those positions and you're having troubles getting it to program using the short process, using the Kwik Acceptor, that is probably what you need to change on that board. Really quick and simple. Why does that make it a challenge? You'll actually look on here and somebody took and changed the wiring schematic on this particular one. There was a board change, and if you bought a machine between a certain year, I don't remember what year it was, but if you bought a certain year machine, it would be wired for the old control board and not the new control board. So somebody had already changed it on here. So pay attention to those things, especially if you're getting stuck on these, been burned by it. Got a control board, thought the control board was bad, got another control board, thought that was bad, had to buy a new head unit, put a head unit in, just to find out years later that all it was just a wire in the wrong spot. And that's the kind of stuff that it's hard to remember everything, especially when the documentation is wrong. So pay attention. Little things like that matter, and good luck remembering it, because the only way I remembered it is by getting burned. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.